Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pharma Learning with Deepika. I hope you all are doing great. So without wasting your time, let's start a new video on multiple choice questions on distillation chapter. For the theory classes, you can check the link in the description box or you can click on the I button also. Let's talk about the MCQs on distillation chapter. So the first question is, the process of heating a liquid mixture to form a vapor and then cooling the vapor to get pure component is called option A crystallization, option B distillation, option C chromatography, option D sublimation. So the correct answer is option B, that is distillation. Now next question is, porcelain pieces are put into the distillation flask to avoid dash. Option A overheating, option B uniform boiling, option C bumping of the solution, option D none of the mentioned above. So the correct answer is C, that is bumping of the solution. Now the next question is, the boiling point of chloroform is dash. Option A 334 Kelvin, option B 286 Kelvin, option C 350 Kelvin, option D 298 Kelvin. So the correct answer is option A, that is 334 Kelvin. Next question is, the boiling point of aniline is option A 438 Kelvin, option B 370 Kelvin, option C 338 Kelvin, option D 457 Kelvin. So the correct answer is option D, that is 457 Kelvin. Next question is, how aniline and chloroform can be separated? Option A sublimation, option B condensation, option C distillation, option D evaporation. So the correct answer is option C, that is distillation. Next question is, which of the following is not separated through distillation process? Acetone and water, option A. Option B allynyl and chloroform. Option C impurities in seawater. Option D milk and water. So the correct answer is D, that is milk and water. Next question is, which of the following will vaporize faster? Option A aniline, option B chloroform, option C water, option D kerosene. So the correct answer is B, that is chloroform. Next question is, the distillation water is collected in dash. Option A receiver, option B adapter, option C condenser, option D round bottom flask. So the correct answer is A, that is receiver. Next question is, the process of distillation is used for the liquid having dash. Option A sufficient difference in their boiling point, option B sufficient difference in their melting point, option C sufficient difference in their solubility, yeah none of this. So the correct answer is A, that is sufficient difference in their boiling point. Next question is, the residue in the round bottom flask is dash. Option A volatile, option B non-volatile, option C both A and B, option D none of this. So the correct answer is B, that is non-volatile. Next question is, in azeotropic distillation days remain low. So the options are A heat, B volatility, C relative volatility, D none of this. So the correct answer is C, that is relative volatility. Next question is, find the distillation preferred for the binary mixture having component A and component B with vapor pressure 360 mmHg and 355 mmHg. Option A multi-component distillation, option B reactive distillation, option C azeotropic distillation, option D all of this. So the correct answer is C, azeotropic distillation. Next question is, the term entrainer used in option A multi-component distillation, option B reactive distillation, option C azeotropic distillation, option D none of this. So the correct answer is option C, that is azeotropic distillation. Next question is, by adding entrainer the dash azeotrope forms. Option A low boiling, option B high boiling, option C no, D none of this. So the correct answer is A, that is low boiling. Next question is, the use of solvent of increasing the relative volatility is for multi-component distillation, reactive distillation, azeotropic distillation, या extractive distillation. So the correct answer is D, that is extractive distillation. Next question is, in the distillate, use of heat is to separate the distillates from the entrainer true, false, maybe true, yeah, none of this. So the correct answer is A, that is true. Next question is find the azeotropic mixture. Option A, air and water. Option B, acetic acid and water. Option C, acetic acid and alcohol. Option D, air and alcohol. So the correct answer is B, that is acetic acid and water. Next question, if the feed mixture has the same vapor and liquid composition at equilibrium, then the distillation is normal. Option A, true. B, false. C, maybe true. D, none of this. So the correct answer is B, that is false. Next question, will it possible to separate the mixture having relative volatility value of 2 with azeotropic distillation? Option A, true. Option B, false. C, maybe true. Yeah, none of this. So the correct answer is option B, that is false. Next question is by adding in trainer or solvent, one of the component dash get reduced. A, boiling point. B, bubble point. C, dew point. Yeah, all of the above. So the correct answer is A, that is boiling point. Now next question is steam distillation is used for the separation of option A, essential oil. Option B, fatty acid. Option C, mineral acid. Option D, petroleum fraction. So basically steam distillation किसके लिए यूज़ होता है? So the correct answer is option A, that is essential oils. So steam distillation basically जितने भी essential oils होते हैं उनके separation के लिए यूज़ होता है. Now the next question is, in steam distillation, the sum of the vapor pressure of the volatile components and water is related to atmospheric pressure in one of the following way. Option A, they are equal. Option B, exactly half. Option C, less. या ऑप्शन डी, मोर. तो स्टीम डिस्टिलेशन में जो वेपर प्रेशर का सम होता है हर एक वोलेटाइल कंपोनेंट का और वाटर का, वो एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर से रिलेटेड होता है. तो इसका जो आंसर है दैट इज ए ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. तो दोनों चीज़ें क्या होती है आपकी, इक्वल होती है. ठीक है. अब आता है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज a mixture of acetone and methanol can be separated by one of the following distillation method. जो एसीटोन है और मिथेनॉल है तो वो कौन सी मेथड के थ्रू सेपरेट होता है? सो ऑप्शन ए है आपका फ्रैक्शनल, बी है बाय सिंपल डिस्टिलेशन, सी बाय स्टीम डिस्टिलेशन और डी बाय वैक्यूम डिस्टिलेशन. एसीटोन और मिथेनॉल कैसे सेपरेट होता है? तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है दैट इज ए, बाय द फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन मेथड. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्लोरेंटाइन रिसीवर इज यूज्ड टू सेपरेट द फॉलोइंग बेस्ड ऑन. फ्लोरेंटाइन रिसीवर जो होता है वो कौन से लिक्विड को सेपरेट करने के लिए यूज़ होता है? तो अगर आपको फ्लोरेंटाइन रिसीवर्स होते क्या ये पता नहीं है तो आप मेरी जो प्रीवियस वीडियोस है ऑन डिस्टिलेशन चैप्टर तो आप उसमें जाके देख सकते हैं. तो इसकी जो ऑप्शंस है वो है डेंसिटी, बी है मॉलिक्यूलर वेट, सी है सेडिमेंटेशन रेट, डी है वॉलेटिलिटी. तो फ्लोरेंटाइन रिसीवर बेसिकली कौन से टाइप के लिक्विड को यूज़ सेपरेट करने के लिए यूज़ होते हैं? तो on the basis of their density the receiver can separate the liquids. So the correct answer is option A, density. Next question is, which distillation method is used for the separation of high boiling substance from a non volatile impurities? हाई बॉइलिंग सब्सटेंस को नॉन वोलेटाइल इम्प्यूरिटीज से कौन सी मेथड जो है वो सेपरेट करती है? ए है आपकी रेक्टिफिकेशन डिस्टिलेशन, बी है सिंपल डिस्टिलेशन, सी है स्टीम डिस्टिलेशन और डी है वैक्यूम डिस्टिलेशन. So the correct answer is C, that is steam distillation. So basically steam distillation use होता है. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you are liking my videos. If you like my videos, then subscribe to my channel and share my videos as much as you can with your friends and family members. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye. Take care.